Today's video is going to feature an easy DIY method you can follow to make a hanger for your screwdrivers using cable clips and a PVC pipe. You will also need a drill for the method, so make sure that you have one on hand. First of all, you will need to place your PVC pipe into a vise grip to make sure that it stays in place during the whole process. That will make it much easier to use a drill on the pipe accurately. Keep making holes in the pipe like we are doing here, all at a decent space from each other. We have made 4 holes because that is how many we need, but you can make more or less depending on how many screwdrivers you plan to hang. But you will also need a bigger PVC pipe for more holes, so keep that in mind. Now that the PVC pipe is ready, we are going to show you how to hang it on the wall. Place a cable clip on the wall and hammer it in. Make sure that it is fully secured inside the wall and will not come off when you put weight on it. After that, you can place the pipe inside of the cable clip. Then, you need to straighten the pipe completely and place another cable clip on the other end so that it remains. Make sure that you do all of this with a side that has holes in it facing forward. Then, once both cable clips are secured and holding the pipe in place, you can rotate the pipe upwards like we are doing to make sure that the holes are facing upward. Now we will show you how you can hang screwdrivers inside this. Simply grab the screwdrivers you want to hang and place their blade inside the holes. Regardless of their size, they should be able to fit easily as you can see us doing here. That is how we were easily able to make a DIY screwdriver hanger using just a PVC pipe and some other tools. It was simple to make and also looks really neat hanging on the wall. By following this guide, you should be able to make one for your needs too. We hope you liked this video and the method we shared with you today.